wonderful people, welcome again. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new, my name is Chizzy. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you're doing great. I am doing great, as all you can see. The problem only I am having here today is heat. It is hot here today in the UK. It is so hot that I don't think I need to make up to really come to you guys today on today's video. I just have to fill my eyebrow and that's it, and put some lip gloss on my lips. And being that we're going to talk about the skin, I felt it's just the perfect thing to do, not to cover the skin with foundation and then start telling you what I want to tell you about the skin. Okay, if you're new, please, and if you've not subscribed before I carry on, what are you waiting for? If you are the type that love hearing or seeing reviews from skincare or tips on how to glow your skin and also look younger, and you love to see show off fashion for plus sizes and random vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, please look for the button subscribe below, click on it and click on the bell icon beside it. By so doing, you stay connected and receive notification whenever I upload a new video. It is free of charge, and at the same time, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to skip. Don't skip my advert on the videos, please. Please do it for me. And again, if there are some of the adverts that come with a link below the video, please just click on that link. You don't need to buy anything from the link. Just click on it and just scroll over it and get out of it. By so doing, you're just really helping your sister as well on this platform. I hope you understand. I appreciate it as well if you have done that for me. Okay, guys, we are going to talk about one thing which I have received from different people. In any way they can reach me, I have been receiving these messages. I've taken that role to do it for you today, to come here and explain to you how I change my cream and how I use different types of cream without having any reactions and pimples and break. But I have organized few of them that I want to use to explain to you how best I change. Maybe you try it if it works for you, because I don't want to tell you how best you change. I'll just put it this way: how best I do change and use so many skincare products without getting breakouts, rashes, skin discoloration anymore, because I do suffer those things whenever I buy new skincare products. So first thing I will like to address is this: before you keep buying all these skincare products or trying to try all of them, make sure you know your skin type. Make sure you have aims, because there are many skin brand products, there are many skincare brands all over the market, and they all have their aims to achieve and to give us, we the buyers and the customers. So make sure you know your own problem. Make sure you know what you want to achieve on your skin. Make sure you know it. You don't just see somebody who is using a cream and skin glowing and then you say, let me go and buy it. I choose my skincare products based on my skin type, based on what I noticed that need working on my skin, and also based on my lifestyle. I choose my skin types based on my lifestyle as well, because I am a busy woman, okay? I do too many things outside this YouTube, okay? YouTube is not my main job. I have 2 jobs already I am doing then with this YouTube. So I do so many things, and I know when I am stressed out and when I stretch myself doing some things that I want to do based on the aim and the goals for the month, I see my skin also suffer it. So when I want to choose any skin type, I try to choose all those things that could help me, because these are the things I am looking for. So make sure you know yours before you place any order. That's one thing I will say. If you don't know any of these, you might make a mistake buying wrong products. Even when you follow the next step that I'm going to share with you, you will still end up having some skin problems when you try and use too many. Right, the way I change and use too many products at the same time is this. Recently I did share with you guys the skincare product I'm using, which is Caudalie, and this is the serum. It is finishing, that's the quantity it is. And now that the serum is going this way, just because I just like that changing. Don't come for me. It's my kind of thing. So now it's finishing. I just went to another shop, asked questions based on my interest, what I want to achieve on my skin, and then they will show me out the skincare brands that will give me what I am aiming for. I start with the samples. This is the small samples of this serum as well. This is from Murad. That is how I change. So when I bought the samples, if they have, but if they don't have, I take the risk. It is my own crazy lifestyle. Don't judge me, because I know every woman have what they do and spend crazily without even knowing. Okay, so I buy it when it's about to finish. So what I do is this. I put this first and then put this on top of it, so that to really get my skin to get balance to it. I don't know how I did this, but this is how I'll be doing it. Sometimes I just press some out on my palm, mix them together. This is what I do, and put them together. By so doing, I noticed I didn't get any reactions, neither do I even have darkening skin, because when you change cream, some of the things that I do experience when I change cream is my skin now turn more brownish and darker, and then after a while, 7 days, I finish using the skin and then it will brighten up. And that's why every product that I also want to try, and before I review them for you, I will use that product for at least 1 week or 2 weeks before I come back here and tell you what I think about it, because I do not have a hard skin. I have a very sensitive skin that any good product or any product that has any reaction to skin, 3 days I will be getting my own reaction. So this is to show you guys this. I know, just for you to see. Previously, before I start the Caudalie, I was using, I think I showed you guys, I was using this one, Superdrugs. Yes, that was what I was using, and it's still remaining. That's why all my cream, you never see them finish. It is still remaining, as you can see. I hope you, yes, that's it. That's the quantity it is before I start planning to do it, so that I can be mixing them up together and be applying it together. By so doing, it just blend and I won't get any reactions to it. This is also another one I tried from Murad. This is the sample. This is the sample size, and this is the big size. So you see, this is all I do every time. And this also, I was using this before I start with the Caudalie. Yes, I was using this before I start with the Caudalie. So this is it. You can see, because somebody also accused me that I am not using it. You can see the quantity where it is. So when it's about to finish, I start thinking, I start researching which one should I try. I still have the facial wash as well. This is where it's remaining. I don't wait until it's finished before I now get it. Also, even when they are still small, there are sometimes, maybe if I change a new one and I felt like, oh, it's not giving me the result that I expected, I still just go back, leave that a little bit, go back to the old one I was using before the new one, and then get it on again, and then bring it back again. That's the way I'll be playing around with it, and before you know it, everything blends. Let me know what else you want to know about my way of doing my own thing, okay? So I always say, this is me. Make sure you don't judge me. I'm not going to judge you. You do you, and don't judge me. If you want to learn from me and do me, thank you, and let me know. Give me your feedback. I would love to know if it works and if this is really helpful. If you're going to try it, I will stop talking. I didn't know this video is going to take this long. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your love and comment, and you all are the best. Be nice with your messages. Bye. Don't forget, thumbs up.